Hey, 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 it's me again. Let me show you this. This is what it looks like when the pattern is knit, including round 22. You have here the beautiful houndstooth pattern and also in contrast color. So these are pretty much equal colors. You can play around by using different colors, but I like it pretty much now. And there's only one thing left to do, to bind off. Many of you already know this, but I will show it here for everyone. So we've completed our round 22 and we wanna finish the same way as we started with contrast color. So get my scissors and cut off the ground colors here long enough to sew it in later. So I only have the contrast color left. Let's do the bind off. We do a simple normal bind off without extras, just smooth and easy like this. So knit one and another one and pull the one before over it. Next, knit one, yes, and pull the one before over it. Knit one, pull this over, all the greens are knitted, and pull it over. That's it. Finish for you. I think I don't need to say more. Knit and bind off the needle the same way, like this, and you will see how it looks. So last one. So we make a break, we take a break, and that's how it looks. So what you can also do is, after the bind off, do a so-called horse bridle bind off edge. I mean, you could do that right away, but I prefer I'll finish this one off like this and get a new color and work the horse bridle bind off edge afterwards. And I promise you that will look really great with another contrast color. Especially because, for example, from Chaos Yarn, you have a lot of great colors available. You can also take a scrap yarn for it. And there's a separate video for it on my YouTube channel, Rowena Meier Design. Have a look. Then you'll soon be done with your PULSEIRA, and that's it from me. More videos, the free online course for feral knitting, plus the free knitting pattern for the former course can be found on my website, rowenameier.com. You can also get the PULSEIRA knitting pattern on my website. This is a small amount of money you can spend for that, really little. For that you have the complete set, the complete instructions, the whole pattern chart, all tips and tricks, all the rows from 1 to 22 additionally as a written code. And the chart is available as color code printout as well. So you don't even have to read. So you get the complete instructions for PULSEIRA on my website. Thank you so much for knitting along with me and see you soon. Bye bye.